Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. See, it's really me. So I am here to do a drawing for December and January. December, people showed off Christmas decorations and lights around their house. And in January, we altered a jar. And yes, I have Johnny here. So here's my bucket I have several of these. I don't know why I have two different buckets here. Anyway, here's my bucket. This is December, and here are the names. And find your name and say yes. Maybe I'll win. And so there is January. I'm handing this over to Johnny. He's going to cut it while I show you the names. That was December. And here is the clear bucket. And this is January's names. And they altered a jar. And everyone's going to find their name and see if they win. Ooh, I should have. Anyway. And while Johnny's cutting these, I'm going to show you. You have a sneak peek at the giveaway for almost a year. I'm missing like two. So let's move this out of the way. I hope Johnny's facing the other way. Maybe he won't see what I went and bought and say, what? But I have a budget. And so I hope you like what I have ordered, what I've bought. So I did go over budget on this. This is We Are Memory Keepers. It is a scoreboard and the cutting tool. It is got hinges here. So it is the same size. Actually, it's bigger than Martha Stewart's. So this will be one item. I love the color. Then, see, this is from, where is this from? Let me try to get that glare off. I guess I'm not going to be able to get the glare off. This is from, I'm changing my lighting. All right. I don't know if I can get the glare. I'm sorry, guys. This is a punch board where you make all the boxes. And most of this stuff is from let me start over. Most of this stuff is from Tuesday Mornings because Hobby Lobby sells this for $25, and when I saw it for $9. All right, I need to start this whole video over. No, I can't. You're cutting. All right. Well, see, I don't like making mistakes. This is $9.99 from Tuesday Mornings, and Hobby Lobby is more than that. But anyway, let me just calm down. See, I don't like making mistakes. All right, sneak peek. Maybe I should have planned this, huh, honey? Okay, so this is the party board where you make all those items. And this was from Tuesday Mornings, but Hobby Lobby sells it for $25 or higher. And those are all the items you can make. And it looks like it's We Are Memory Keepers up in here, but there's going to be other things. This is a planner punch or a punch. And so see what it does? You can put it wherever you want it and line it up. So I think that was a good gift for the challenges. I'm still digging in my bag. Oh, I found this. All these are 25 and up at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So I tried my best to get you something really good. And this is the banner. That lighting is irritating me. And that's what you can make. So let's add this to the mix. Let's see. I found these. They are Anna Griffin. There are 4 cards in each, and there's 4 different ones, so it's 12. And this is birthday. This is thank you. This is for my friend. And this is get well. and it has the ephemera, the pop dots, the envelopes, and that's what it would look like. And they were regularly $2.49 at Tuesday mornings, and that's what that one looks like. So I stayed in budget on most of this. And that's that. So this is one giveaway. So I'm hoping you enter the challenges, but I hope you post on a regular basis. I don't want y'all just to enter for challenges. That's not fair. That's not fair for me because I want to see more stuff. Glue Gun Chronicles. We might as well have the new SureBonder glue gun. Fine tip. It says detail. The new fine tip will say detail on it, not fine tip. And I don't know if you can see the tip on that or not. See, it's really a fine tip. So this is the new glue gun. The handle has changed, and I think it's a better handle. Here's Charlie, and sometimes we could click on that, and so I think this is a better design. I don't understand why it's not pink, but okay. So there you go. And I have one more to show, and then Johnny is ready. He's over here shaking. Cut this one up too, honey. We have 2 to cut up right now. I already showed them this. You can cut it up. So then we have Graphic 45. And I normally would never give Graphic 45 out, but Tuesday morning had an 8x8 for $3.99. And so let's show the paper. It's really pretty paper. Johnny's over there rushing, but I'll help him. And we have, I even wrote the winners. The black is for 1 month and blue is for next month. So, and then we have the paper. We have the cards that go with it. And here are the little cards to go with it. We have the envelopes and the tags to go with it. And it's called, I didn't even tell you the name of the paper. It's called Cafe Parisien. And we have the chipboard that goes with it. So this is the prize giveaways for almost the whole year. So I really hope that you get excited about the prizes. You know, I'm gifting because I want you to say, I want to craft and just get away from all other issues and everything else that's going on. So, yeah. I don't even have some of these. I only was able to buy one. And so look at those boxes you can make. Can you imagine a party or making boxes to put around your Christmas tree and they all coordinate just for the look? And then, of course, you would move them when Santa Claus comes, because then Santa Claus might have different wrapping. So, and let's see. Johnny's almost done. We're getting there, guys. But we're having 2 winners. So it's all good. I still need to make a video for everyone. I'm really hoping that you add your friends if in the group. Just go ahead and add a friend, and then one of the admins will definitely approve them. So add more people to the group so we can share our sales, our projects, ideas, just friendship. I want to thank Carl and Gail. They helped so much by every time someone posted in March a bottle or jar for the project, this month's challenge. They created a message, and they would just write the name, and no one, we didn't talk in there. It was just names of who was part of the challenge. So all I had to do is go straight to that, write everyone's name down, and it took me a whole 5 minutes, because prior to that, it was taking me about, I don't know, 3 hours to go through pictures and everything and all. And I look at everything that everyone does in Glue Gun Chronicles, but with building the house and working and just going crazy, I've been slow on commenting and everything, and I do apologize for that. So, let me help you fold those, honey? You're close. But I hope you like it. Okay, let me get the buckets. Let me help you fold. I know. And then as soon as we're done here, we're heading to the lake to work on the cabin. Should I do 2 videos? Is this taking too long, guys? I'm so sorry. But I think we're done. Okay, so this is for the December challenge. So John, put your hand in there. I gotta get those buckets out of storage. I really enjoy them. And oh, Hazel won. She's a sweet friend of mine. Oh, Hazel, congratulations. I haven't even seen you in so long or talked to you. I miss you, honey. We need to talk. We need to Skype. All right, well, congratulations, Hazel. Okay, and then this is January for the altered bottle or jar. This thing drives me crazy. It dings. Oops, let me get out of the way. Go ahead. Violet Thompson Ether. Oh, V. Oh, congratulations, hon. So both of y'all had won the stuff from AliExpress that I had posted. Well, you'll be surprised if you don't remember, but it was a lot of bling and lace and dies and just different stuff from AliExpress. So I will definitely get that together for you. And here's your sneak peek. I hope that you tell everybody, tell them about my channel and tell them to sub. And also just join Glue Gun Chronicles on Facebook. So all my links are down below. And hopefully you'll follow me. And I'm having a great time crafting. Bye, guys.